I lead the way by helping leaders tap their authenticity.
Being passionate about a living wage.
I've been a member of SVN since 1990.
There's a glue here that doesn't happen anywhere else.
In 25 years, businesses should be a force for a better planet.
Progressive business voices like this will be much more mainstream.
It's been so inspiring for me to meet this many like-minded people who care about making a difference in the world.
Anyone who identified with socially responsible business or corporate social responsibility was thought to be a fool or worse.
People who work within companies can express themselves and find meaning in what they do. And the companies can express themselves by creating a real sustainable prosperity for the planet.
The SVN community has been an extraordinary place to come to feel completely embraced.
The relationships that happen at SVN are certainly a culmination of the heart and soul of what we do as humans.
Really ready to take on and are taking on the most incredible challenges on the planet.
It will be those who refuse to adopt the values-based business principles that dominate among us in SVN who will be the fools.
Within the very DNA of the most powerful ism on earth, capitalism, there needs to be a social conscience. And I don't know why those two things aren't connected now, but we've disconnected them and they need to come back together so that business becomes simply a power for positive change.